So I think Taj supports you at every step of the way.
I mean, the faculty is extremely good and supportive.
They provided live sessions, assignments, test series, mock test series.
The regular unit tests taken by the academic Junction, provided with the constant feedback, really helped me a lot in clearing my first 2 exams in just 1 attempt.
The best part about them is of course Puneet sir and Sajki ma'am's teaching.
But because of the live classes, Puneet sir cleared all my doubts and I could clear the exam well.
All your doubts cleared over video calls, online or offline. So
Support and guidance through my ACET journey. Because of them, it was really easy for me to prepare for my examination.
Thank you for Puneet sir for their guidance and their amazing support.
I think she will give you so many tips and tricks for each exam, and that really helps, especially for professional and lecturer times.
Now I would like to start my journey of ACET after the ACET with the Taj.